I'm here at the Nigerian restaurant eating jollof rice with beef, beans, and jollof rice, of course. And of course, plantain is really good. It's spicy too. What's your name? Oh, it's done. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Ozo.
Huh?
Ozo.
Ozo. Okay. You shorten it.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Zeman.
Ozemana. Kedu Kodi. I thought you were from Port Harcourt. Oh, I didn't know that.
It's a Muke tribe.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Okay.
Okay, I didn't know that. It's my first time learning that. Oh.
So, let's say Igbo people, they Delta,
Oh, I didn't know that. Igbo people are everywhere because they trade in everywhere.
Yeah. So, in the university, they have 4 communities that speak Igbo. That's Igbo name. Like Ukule, Echil, Okubo, Eboma.
Wow.
That's Igbo name, they speak Igbo. But they say the dialect is not as much.
What kind of dialect is it?
Like they say, like in Igbo, they say Kedu. Now we say Ndam.
Oh, I never heard that before.
Igbo they say Bia. Now we also say Bia also.
Okay, Bia, which is come.
Oh, yeah.
See, I tell you, say I understand Igbo small.
We say our history from Igbo.
Oh, that's the first time where they hear with that though, because I thought Port Harcourt people were just mainly Warri Waf people.
Because they have very different languages.
Okay.
Each community has their own language.
It took me to come to Dubai to learn this one. No.
India each state has different languages. So they are not one.
India.
And they said when India had different languages.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but yeah.
That's what they speak Igbo and their own language.
Okay.
So Moha, Chile.
I go India a couple of years ago. It's an interesting place. Now them full here though.
And I know that here and second country. They are more conventional than the people that's from here.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, Indians here is like 4 million.
4 million. 4 million Indians. Yeah. They built this town.
Yeah, they built it.
Is it easy for them to get paper? Stay.
Here they don't give free shit.
They don't give anybody stay. Wow.
Even Indians, if I stay out there, they don't give you free shit. Instead they will give you reason permit every 2 years. You will renew it.
Are you serious? What about if you marry their daughter? They're not going to allow. Wow.
Even though they say not cry.
Are you serious? To date their daughter in a time?
Baby cry.
Wow, I didn't know that though.
Then they cry from our
So, now wow. So, nothing like love 1, 2, 3. Hey, see me see trouble. So oh, you're welcome. So if you see the woman wey like you go tell her say make you go sit down.
Yeah, that's the woman they come face and everything. The woman like you, you put a package. You really code there. If they find you, they go behead you.
They go behead you.
Let's say, in their tradition, women are meant money as waiting.
Oh, they be like property.
They meant money as waiting. So if you say their daughter.
I didn't know that.
There's no law that makes it for that.
Wow. Well, at least as far as you know that, everybody knows it, and they leave them alone. Then no problem, Abi.
Can't even hear them.
Now, wow.
Even so, they women like you and you don't block each other. I do the package, but sorry to use this. Another sex, no. You can use an access. That's the only way you can do it.
You serious? Oh, that way go remember you. Wow. Now, wow.
But if you find that thing,
You don't finish. Please make you leave them alone, no? You get plenty women for village. Where they look for husband. And you go get to keep your head. Now, wow.
They're very small.
This jollof sweet well. Thank you for the education. This is really good food.